New South Wales Police will not be checking vaccine passports inside venues from October 11, despite public health orders requiring businesses to turn away unvaccinated patrons.
From October 11 to November 30, the vaccinated are coming out of hiding in New South Wales. They'll be allowed to go to gyms, pubs, restaurants, cafes, bars and clubs as long as they check in and carry proof they have been vaccinated. Police Commissioner Mick Fuller has confirmed police will not be patrolling venues and checking if people are fully vaccinated.
We are anticipating there will be businesses who will be calling us for assistance on the right to refuse someone entry to their premises.
Of course I'm concerned, but I'm telling you that if there are public health orders, it's a crime not to comply. So the police will enforce those orders.
There were 863 cases in the latest reporting period, slightly up from the previous day, but still trending down from the peak. Hospital admissions and people with COVID in intensive care is also steady and tracking under government forecasts. 7 more people died and all 7 had underlying health conditions. 2 acquired their infections inside Sydney hospitals after being admitted on unrelated health matters. The Health Minister has shut down calls for compensation for families who've lost loved ones after picking up COVID in a hospital.
Across the world, it is well understood that in a pandemic, there are always going to be risks for individuals no matter where they are. Hospitals, by definition, have people who come to them with COVID, and so there is always going to be that risk.
Port Macquarie and Muswellbrook are back into lockdown for 7 days after a rise in cases. Stay-at-home orders also apply to anyone who is in Port Macquarie from September 17 and Muswellbrook from September 22. The Byron Bay and Tweed local government areas are out of lockdown after no further spread was detected. Kempsey also has the all clear, but health authorities are monitoring the situation closely there.
When you're restricting freedoms, when you're asking tens of thousands of businesses to close and people to stay at home, it's essential that questioning of the executive take place, and that's what Parliament's for.
Kenny Heatley, Sky News, Sydney.